Now you should be searching for it. You should be thinking about it. How many lanes? Which lane is for where? You should already be analyzing. This is perfect example of person who doesn't check what's happening around him, doesn't check his mirrors, doesn't check his blind spot. He just exits the gas station and goes. And in this situation, a situation like this, what is the best action to do?
The one that just happened, right?
Da,
That gas
da.
closer. Like,
What's the best thing to do?
we
Brake?
need to brake, but if we brake that possible, there is the car behind us also.
It's possible, but you have no choice. It's better to brake than to just rotate the wheel, okay?
Yeah.
Because if there is someone next to you, if you rotate the wheel, you crush him, okay? The guy behind you is obliged to keep safe distance from you. Здравейте! Ние сме Sigma Driving Academy. Наши таки подопитни инструктори и модерни автомобили правят вашето обучение безопасно, ефективно и без излишен стрес.